Let's do it. Let's dive right into it. If you guys want me to look at a chart, just ask. I'll look at the chart. So, I like Ethereum right now, and it looks like a good breakout. Let's start with Bitcoin, BTC USD. Okay. So, hey, good. I have a dog in my lap. She's real cute. I've got a good dog in my lap, and you need to stop growling. Hey, don't do that. All right. Starting with Bitcoin, we are having a breakout here. Very interested in this cross right here. That does imply the beginning of trend. So, a few notes here. 1, 4-hour condition for the mean inversion is completed. All right, this here is green. That means price can go outside the longest overexpanded period. And because this is upward expansion, it implies upward trend. So, on the 1-hour chart, we do have another mean inversion. It's a bullish mean inversion, actually, if I recall correctly. Yes, based on the 126 period. So, this mean inversion was pretty depressing. Just because of how incredibly tapered it was. It's kind of like the worst case scenario for mean inversion, right? Your implied entry is right here, okay? And the mean inversion is in negative. So even though it's a bullish mean inversion, your initial target is 4%, the mean inversion completes at negative 1%. So downside of the strategy right there is you can be right, but you're going to be losing money even though you're right. So yeah, we did get mean inversion. Problem is, price traveled down and the mean followed it instead of price traveling to the mean. So interesting stuff. Also, look at this wave PM cross here. It's nice. It did result in quite the nice downward trend. Just how I think we're going to see nice upward trend here. On the 15-minute chart. Oh, that loads when I get a glass of water. Hold on. Alrighty. I've returned. Looks like we have some vague trend definition. Looks like we're getting re-expansion already. I would not have expected price continuation to happen here. However, macro level signals trump micro level signals. Daniel, if you're watching this, this is a really good lesson because this is an important chart here. So, if you have a bullish wave PM cross, and this is something that happens quite frequently, believe it or not. This is a bullish wave PM cross, all right? It happened on this candle, all right? This candle on that blue line right there. When I go to the 1-hour chart, all right, look where that wave PM cross happened. It happened here. Let's go to 15-minute. All right, this is our wave PM cross right there, the blue line. So, that blue line, we have the beginning of true upward trend on the 4-hour chart. So we're on the 15-minute chart, even though we activate bearish mean inversion here with a compressionary condition. Yeah, it's super clean. Look at that. Like, this wave PM reading is just golden. It's a nice connected plume. You have clear volatility overhead. Like, it's textbook. It fails. Ah, shit. Why does it fail? Because you had a macro level signal. Macro level signals trump micro level signals. If you have a bullish expansion on the 4-hour chart, your 15-minute mean inversion is going to fail, right? Because there is significant upward trend. Hey, no whining. Shh, you're a good girl, but I already took you out. Oof. Thankfully, my cough has mostly subsided. I am left with fatigue and a headache, and I'm just really sore. In fact, my back was so sore yesterday that the left side of my back had a muscle that was visually distinguished from the right side. It was quite fascinating. I was very interested in it. I did not enjoy the experience, but goddamn, was it an interesting anatomy lesson. Let's check out TRX BTC. I would rate the coronavirus 4 out of 10. I would not recommend getting it. TRX, wow. When did this become a low sat coin? Oof, ow, my bones. I had a lot of fun trading TRX in the past. I bought into TRX around here, 50. And I sold it at 200. Yeah, I got a 300% move on that. And then I bought in again here, and I just held it forever. And probably sold around here, 30%. So, yeah, that's my life. Would not do it again. All right, 4-hour chart. I don't really like this chart. Starters. Daily, there's no compressionary signal. 4-hour chart. Oh, hold on. Shoot, that could actually be a good long. Yeah. Hold on. I did not expect this. That doesn't look bad. All right, condition activation is here. We have defined swing low on our CLCP here, which we have just bounced off of. So yeah, you can have a 2% stop loss and a 10% upside. That's a 5-to-1 profit ratio. Have fun. That's a great trade. Do it. I like it. Oh, I forgot to link this. There we go. Ooh, Spy, please. Hi, good morning, sunshine. How you doing, dude? I finally shook my cough, so we should probably co-stream in the near future. It's gonna be great. No crying. Stop it. You're okay. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. All right. All right, let's do it. I'm going hardcore. Opening multi-charts, let's go. You're getting that good shit.
Connecting.
Woo!
Connected. Connected.
Very nice. Let's get rid of some of this here, eh? Let's open the best cat workspace. We do not need account information right now. Thank you very much. Yeah, let's avoid taking any trades right now until I look at what's happening. I could do live trading today. I mean, positions will be small, but I'm willing to do it. Okay. We are loading up a bunch of indicators here, so please just bear with it. Are we finally getting that macro level expansion in the downside? I hope so. Oh, we're on the 1 minute chart. Actually, this could be a really good short opportunity, like right now. So, two things I'm looking at here. One is this. This right here is a true exhaustion signal. All right? And no, we're not using outer standard deviations to define that. We're actually using relative distributional width. Because this here is really nice. It's very rare you get every period on the wave PM above 0.9 at the same time. And when you do, it's typically resulting in an immediate reversal. It's a pretty rare signal. So I really like that rejection there. I already took you out. Come here. You can sit in my lap. You're a tiny girl. Okay, so it's in all likelihood we could reject off of this pivot right here. Why is that arrow so tiny? What the hell? Yeah, so if we come up to 38.5, I would consider that a short opportunity. But let's play with some different time frames here. We got options. This is multi-charts with our proprietary indicators. This is multi-tracking ACAT. It is ACAT's magnum opus at the moment. It loads multiple periods of every longest over expansion for the time frame at the same time. So it does everything you want. Green means sideways. Yellow, outside of yellow means trend, outside of blue means trend, inside of blue means sideways. Outside of purple means trend. All right? So here, outside of purple, it trends. Inside purple, it goes sideways. Inside green, it goes sideways. Outside yellow, it goes up. Inside yellow, it goes sideways. Inside green, it goes sideways. And here, we have this tiny little bit of sideways. So essentially, one of two things is going to happen here on the 1 minute chart. And I'm not sure if it's just being slow or I'm doing it wrong. Come on. Oh, I can't go farther to the right. Okay, that's fine. Either we bounce inside this pivot, which would activate a bullish mean reversion condition, at which time we could grab the swing low, which should be defined by this new formed CLCP, right? So either one of the outer standard deviations of this down here to grab our entry, if we enter above that short signal, okay? That's what I'm thinking. Let's play on the 5 second chart. I'm kind of, because I know the indicators still work down here. Yeah. Inside blue, mean reversion. Beautiful. Lateral trading for green. Upper standard deviation tag, compression. It's good. I don't think I will ever trade the 5 second chart, but I'll be damned if it's not clean. Now look at this. Look how clean that mean reversion is there. Defined trend, we enter the mean reversion pivot, we bounce off the lower edge with the newly formed CLCP, it goes to the mean. I love it. This glitch right here, where we get multiple of the same period at the same time, CAT has fixed that. It's going to be shipped pretty soon. Yeah, so that was a short op off of that upper tag. I said 30-38, so we'd either look for a short here or here. I would be fine market entering those, but I'm not overly comfortable with the stop market tools at this time. Is your system based in volume? Would it work on range bars? It's not based in volume. There's very little volume analysis that goes on here. There's actually no volume analysis at all. I don't look at volume regularly. Outside of macro level analysis, like, sure, everybody knows the patterns, but nothing is calculated with it. Range bars, I don't know. I don't think it would, but I've never tried it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute chart, see if we're approaching that pivot. If your system is based in volatility, would it work on range bars? Don't know. Oh my god, if we're ejecting from that pivot right now. Like what we saw in the 5 second chart, hold on. So help me God, if we're rejecting off that pivot right now. Oh my God. Is this our short op? It might be. Yeah, I'm probably gonna start. You're gonna go short? Hot damn. All right, not yet. I want the pivot to be a little bit closer. Because essentially, the longer you wait, the better your profit ratio is gonna be. Because essentially what's happening is this pivot here, that's coming down, right? It's eventually gonna intersect with price. So right now your stop loss needs to be here at 30.38. But it's gonna get lower. Great info, thanks. Hey, my pleasure. It's another shark. Hello, shark. Blew up finally on the same side of the trade. It's okay, I was preemie, so I'm always early. You know what? As long as your position size is not too big, yeah, you can have your stop loss here at the upper CLCP at, I'd say 30.40. That'd be good. If we do tag that, I would be looking for a long entry instead. So for now, short. We're on the other side of the pivot. It looks great. If we get trend continuation here, I would be very impressed. Because that is good expansion. I want to look at higher time frames though, just in case. Let's try the 5 minute. Also, my graphics card is finally relevant because this is all calculated on what I'm doing here on my PC. All right, yeah, you see this here? So this overexpansion that happened here, where every period was above 0.9, you'll notice it coincides with the exact top for price, which was also at, you guessed it, the 3.2 standard deviation of the CLCP, which is our brick wall for range trading. It is so clean. Good girl. Okay, 5 minute chart isn't giving us too much information, so I am interested in the 1 hour. Let's get to it. Oh man. No. I'm not thinking too much of it. Try the 4 hour. Yeah, no signals up here. Let's go back to the minute chart. Yeah, I'm pretty curious as to how this is going to play out, so I'm willing to wait on it. I'm going to check out... Did I miss Chainlink? You have not. I'll check on it shortly. However, I was looking at it before the live stream. There is an implied bearish expansion on the 4 hour chart, which I will catch here shortly. Okay. Can we do BA and... what are those? Can you tell me what those are? All right, it's gonna be now or never for this rejection. Yeah, they're stocks, but like, what are they? Tell me what they are. Oh, Boeing. And what is that one? Weed stocks. Hell, man, you are just a magnet for volatility now, aren't you? We'll look at them. I'm gonna, because my screen is just so goddamn big, I can do this. Hell yeah. Who's laughing now? And I'm gonna close that. Beautiful. Oh my god. Let's check out Link, eh? Alright, so what I'm concerned about on Link is this. Every value below 0.7, 14 period arises up above the 100 and 0.7 value. What are we watching? We are going to watch price reject from the S&P 500 right now. It's going to go down. If it doesn't, then I'm going to take a long. Hey, don't bite me. No bite. You're a little fuzzy puppy. I'm gonna close my window. People are doing yard work out there. Okay, are we rejecting? Oh, wait, hold on. There's actually a divergence here. If you look closely. Yeah, so our rejection point is going to be exactly 3037.27. I think I might be willing to take that position. Okay. Are we doing this? We might be doing this. Okay. I would like to place a limit sell.
Order rejected.
Oh! Right. Ah, okay. I have to switch accounts. Well, I'm probably not taking that position right now then. because I am not logging into different credentials on the live stream. But we should reject right here. If we don't, then we look for the swing low and take the long instead. Cool. If this closes inside, it's going to be a bullish mean reversion, and we need to swap to a long. Okay. Well, now that we're waiting for a long instead, we can go and take a look at other charts. Although I'm kind of curious why it held me to intraday margin levels instead of the day trade margin levels. Since you should be able to trade this with only $40 in your account, the order should not have rejected. Like AMP Futures goes up to 300x. You can trade this with 40 bucks. I'll ask Kat about it. He'll know. Okay. What do we care about here, eh? Let's take a look at Boeing, BA. Volatility, eh? Alright, you know, this is a really hard chart. Like, so again, we maxed out every period on Wave PM to 1. And it results in rejection and compression. That's fine, just our CLCP is so big because the implied volatility is so low compared to the previous move that volatility indicators kind of have a hard deal getting a read on it. However, the 1 hour chart should be different because down here, the look back is long enough where we should get converse expansions. Not converse expansions, that's the wrong terminology. Now, we're maxing out from the previous period still in here. 15 minutes should do it, though. Yeah, this is now bullish mean reversion over here on the SPX. So, target for this right now is 3051. It's pretty unlikely we'll shoot straight there, but if I had to make a guess, it would probably be a taper. Of course, bullish mean reversion can happen any way it wants. Price could go sideways, mean can travel down, or mean can travel, or price can travel to the mean. So it's kind of up in the air. How are we all doing today, folks? Any questions? I would, if I'm in short though, I would stop out here. Because we have officially closed several candles inside the mean reversion condition. I got nothing on Boeing, dude. I'm sorry. I can't even define the mean reversion. Let's take out a look at a TLRY. It's technically a bullish mean reversion, but I would not bet against that trend. I'm sorry. I'd probably short here, to be honest. Can I check FX CME 6E1 Euro futures? Oh, I can actually do that over here. Take a look. Okay. Do I have Euro futures on this? Should. Yeah. June 2020. Let's take a look. Nice. I don't know why I preserved. Oh, yeah. Okay. Bullish mean reversion here on the 1 minute chart for starters. Okay. If we wanted to go long, I would do so at 30.32 or 30.27. Those are the two values I'm interested in. Let's pop up to 30-minute chart here. Okay. We can afford to zoom out. Wave PM is slowing everything down. Come on. There we go. Get in there. Okay. Alright, this might be a little too laggy for me to do right now. Or at least I could remove Wave PM and try again. Let's do that. Out of here. I insert. Okay. That's the problem. I'm so silly. Do not listen to my previous prediction. I'm sorry. I'm still pretty new to multi-charts. Right. I inserted it onto the chart instead of replacing it. There we go. Sorry about that. It should actually load properly now. Okay. Implied expansion to the upside. I can accept that. Let's get 3D Wave PM back in here. I'm gonna load a lower resolution study though. WaveCat 3D, I would like. Let's change the max period to 800. I should probably speed things up a bit. And we'll turn off WaveCat smoothing because that doubles the calculation time. Standard res, let's turn that to true. And we'll just have it down to 600. Alright, that should be manageable. Ah, calculation time. I love it. Just a tiny bit of expansion. Oh, do you see this here? That breakout is so clean. All right. We're gonna start. Let's do the minute chart first and work our way up, eh? Okay. Lateral compression on the 1 hour or 1 minute, excuse me. So that implies sideways. Let's try the 5. Let's do 15-minute. Wow, look at that. All right, do you see this? This is insane. Like, this accuracy is literally insane. So, mean reversion activation happens here on this candle. Mean reversion completes exactly, like within pennies to the mean. We see lateral trading. Then when every value is below 0.7 on the wave PM and we get the cross, which happened this candle, it resulted in an upward trend. Why? Because we had positively weighted CCI. So this here is trend. We can define support at this time at... We're multi-tracking this, so we should be able to define it. Oh. I have to manually define it. Hold on. Based on the 80 period, let's increase the resolution of this so I can. Yeah, I just want the exact period value. Hi, Sumugi. Are you a good girl? You are a good girl. She likes your belly rubs. Alrighty. Exact period is 83. I'm gonna load a Bollinger Band because I just want to look at that. Bollinger Bands. Length, or like an 83 period on the 1.25 standard deviation. The negative 1.25 standard deviation. Okay. Yeah, you could long right here. So what we're looking at is this yellow value. Right, because this is a comprehensive net expansion. If you have every period in a state of compression below 0.7, expanding at the same time, it defines trend very strongly. So because we're doing that off of the 83 period right now, which is this yellow line, you'll notice it bounces directly on the yellow line to the penny. And we're actually getting several green confirmation candle closes. Yeah, you can long here. I think it looks good. It's going to be small. I wouldn't go higher than, say, 1.1119. And if we do close inside that, we'll turn into bearish mean reversion. And I'm going to take a quick look at MESM. Pop back on the 1 minute chart here. Yeah, this is bullish mean reversion at the moment. We're looking for that swing low at 30.29. Or 30.32, excuse me. Looks pretty good. All right. Let's check out ADA. Actually, you know what? I want to look at Euro USD again because that was really clean. No, let's not open that. Actually, I want to look at gold. Gold has been really interesting recently. Ooh! Big back crack. I'm so sore, dude. multi-track is... Yeah, we can consider that. That's bullish mean reversion. Yeah, I'm not interested. For the hourly. Oh, why is my study information in black? That is not okay. Uses default. Jesus. Save my workspace. Hold on. Okay. Wow, that is a nice compressionary range. Look for a long round, 1693. I'll probably set an alert for myself there. All right, I'll check out ADA. Sorry about your stocks. I'm not really interested in the level of compressionary volatility. Yeah, last stream I think we said ADA was still in that bullish mean reversion with this upward trend. So yeah, I guess your target right now is 70.58. Because it's actually a true mean reversion condition. It's not maxing out. All right, 4 hour. Let's see if we have any trend definition. Well, 1 hour we can define trend definition for this short move here. Although your long signal, you guessed it, would have been this candle. Right there. And we'll do the candle after, just to, be fair. So that was your long signal. That worked out nicely. Yeah, we should be generating something good off that. Let's let the cat load. My dog is really cute, yo. What a good girl. What a good girl. How good are you? Oh, we're loaded in. Yeah, that tells us nothing. All right. Great. Yeah. Hey, look what we found here. A long signal on this candle. Wow. That would have worked out really nice. It's kind of why I'm interested in Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, because there's that same cross happening. Look at that. Yeah, look, hold on, guys. ADA, BTC. All right, we just said this signal on this candle right here. 4 hour chart. 14 period crosses 100 period and then goes above 0.9. What happens? What happens after this candle? And we'll do it from the top of the candle just to be fair. 21% upside, 22. All right, BTC USD. What is happening right now? Every period below 0.7, 14 period crosses the 100, up above 0.7 million. This should result in trend. I kid you not. Yeah, I'm okay expecting a breakout on Bitcoin here. This is good. This looks really nice. If it doesn't play out, cool. We could take the bearish mean reversion on the 1 hour chart. That will inevitably form. So, two sides to that. But I like it, guys. It looks good. Okay, we need to look at SPX. Like to format my chart, please. MESM. Show me what you got. Parmigiana. All right, 1 minute chart. Let's go. Oh, bullish mean aversion. Yeah, I'm just waiting for that swing low, guys. Good girl. I wish you could see how sweet my dog is. She's burying her face in my neck and wagging her tail, and like, she's really putting a lot of pressure into it. It's really cute. You guys deserve this level of wholesome. But yeah, she helped me through being sick this week. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Yeah. 30.29. That's what I would long at. All right. Any questions? What's going on, guys? What do you want me to look at? So tired. Jesus. Pretty good stream though. Look at my profile. Wow, it doesn't show. Okay, there we go. 12 online, eh? That's pretty good. Oh shit, I gotta check the YouTube comments. 1 second. I gotta get my phone! I don't know where my phone is. Found my phone. Ooh, I got a match on Tinder. Who is this? Don't get distracted. Hold on. It's not like I'm gonna meet anyone. Anyway. Fucking sick. Alright, okay. YouTube, right. Hey, I already took you out. I'll take you out again. I'm done here. Come here. I'll hold you. I'll hold you in my hands. Hey Shark, I mentioned it last time, but you used the Nano chart instead of NKN Binance chart. The coin has insane fundamentals, but I'm also interested in the technical analysis. If you could. Huh. Yeah, I'll check out NKN. 17 viewers, that's pretty good. But I really like this artist, Yule, and she's small enough that I'm pretty sure nothing's going to happen if I stream her music. Nice. Go listen to Yule. She's great. Some weird Korean kid, I think. I don't know. Okay, NKN. Binance. Insane fundamentals. I always cringe a little when I hear that. This Span and Go Qualia are like my two unknown favorites. Okay. Yeah, that's bearish mean aversion, dude. I would short that. That's a really good short. No, I'm not kidding you. Okay. So it's not an overmax period. It's clean. It's a single plume. First of all. Second of all, activated mean aversion condition. Retesting it from above. Yeah, short. I'm short. My target is 173. Oh. I guess you could also try to short from the 4-hour pivot because that's a little cleaner on 197. So current price to 197 is your short range and your target's 174. I don't know if you can short this anywhere, but you can sell it and buy it back at that value. Does anyone want to send me Chick-fil-A? I'm struggling over here. All right. What I found out yesterday was Chick-fil-A ramps up their prices by over 70% when you order from them online. What would have cost me $26 ordering cost me $14 at the drive-thru. It's obscene. Okay, I'm sorry. I just really wanted some comfort food. Their lemonade's really good. I don't need any more Chick-fil-A. I'm going to order some salads from Modern Market. How's that? Hey, come here. Tiny animal! So cute. I wish you guys could see her. She's just the best. She's the best little girl in the whole wide world. Oh, man. Guys, do you see this again? That's not as clean as the break-in. Never mind. But it's still true expansion. All right, get your questions in. I'm going to cuddle with my dog. You're going to ask me about charts. I'm going to look at whatever chart you want. I'm just going to turn up my music and wait.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Order submitted. Order pending.
Alrighty, folks, that looks like it's it for today. It's been a pleasure. I'll talk to you all tomorrow, actually, at 2:30 p.m. MST. I'll be doing some trading. Have a good one. I actually have to click on this to stop it, believe it or not. Or should I just leave it up? You guys just want to like watch it? I can just let this go if you want me to. I can just let this go if you want me to. Oh, hush. I've returned. We're just waiting.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Altitude velocity light. And down. 220 feet. 15 forward. 11 forward. Down nicely. 200 feet. 4.5 down. 5.5 down. 150 feet. 6.5 down. 5.5 down. 9 forward. Good. 20 feet. 100 feet, 3.5 down, 9 forward. 185. 875 feet. Starts looking good, down a half. 6 forward. 60 seconds. Lights on. Down 2.5. Forward. Forward. 40 feet down, 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Straight shadow. 4 forward. 4 forward. Apollo 13, the age of Aquarius ended at 141 hours, 30 minutes on the left side. I'm going to step off the limb now, please. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Order submitted.
Alrighty, folks, that's going to be it for me today. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you all tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. MST. Sound good? Oh, I have to. Okay.